வணக்கம், வெல்கம் டு இன்ஸ்பயர் அகாடமி. இன்னைக்கு இந்த வீடியோல என்ன பார்க்க போறோம்னா ஆகஸ்ட் மந்தோட பார்ட் 1 கரண்ட் அஃபேர்ஸ் பார்க்க போறோம். So India's first ever night sky sanctuary is set to come up in which state or union territory. So இது எங்க அப்படினு பாத்தீங்கன்னா in Ladakh. So Ladakhல within next 3 months. The evidence of the trapping zone has been discovered in which country? So Maldives. So இது எங்க அப்படினு பாத்தீங்கன்னா Maldives. Yellowstone National Park is located in which country? So it is located in United States. Siddheshwara Temple, which was seen in the news, located in which state or union territory? So it is located in Andhra Pradesh. By the lordship of Pallavas it was built. Jama Masjid, India's largest mosque, is situated in which state or union territory? So it's located in Delhi, New Delhi. Big Ben is the famous clock located in which country? So Big Ben is a nickname given to Great Bell of Great Clock of Westminster. So located in United Kingdom. Bangala Festival or 100 Ems Festival is most popular festival of which state? So it is the festival of Meghalaya. Which institution published the book titled India, the Mother of Democracy? So it is released Mother of Democracy. An Indian Council of Historical Research ICHR in New Delhi. Polio cases were recently recorded in which country for the first time in 30 years? That was in Burundi for the first time in 30 years. Where is the great grandfather tree located? The great grandfather oldest tree, it is located in Chile. So it's around 5000 years old. மேலும் விவரங்களுக்கு 9842297768ங்கிற நம்பருக்கு கால் பண்ணுங்க. ஒரு inspireacadamii@gmail.comங்கிற மெயில் ஐடியை காண்டாக்ட் பண்ணுங்க. இந்த வீடியோ லைக் பண்ணுங்க, சேனல் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. Thank you.